you. I love you. Bella. I love you. Good boy. Whoa. I love you. Bella, say I love you. You love me? Good girl. Casey, can you say I love you?
I don't think she can.
Say I love you.
That was a good try.
Good try. You get a treat for trying.
Bella, I love you. I love you, Bella. I love you. I love you. I love you. Alright, we'll just give it to you because that's something good.
Work in progress.
Yep. Alright, part 2.
Hey, Bella.
That was really cool. You want this?
Good Bella. Good Bella. Got the fox.
She's killing it.
Good hunting dog. Trampling that thing.
See your favorite ball, Bella. Woo!
Oh,
Bella.
poor Bella.
Look here.
You okay?
I'm sorry, Bella.
That was not the best.
Are you okay, Bella?
What are you doing, Casey?
Okay. One with me.
I think Casey wants to play too.
Katie, one with me.
Bella. Bella, I love you. Woo. Oh, so close. I think Casey wants to play too.
I tried. Case. No bird. Oh,
Oh.
leg time.
Rip it to shreds.
You're not recording, right? It's
Yeah, I'm recording.
no heart.
Ooh.
One more time. Go try to catch it. So you got to leave in the mouth. You gotta leave in the mouth, bro. Let's try it again. I want to catch it. No heart. Oh, so close. Oh, she did it.
She did it.
Good girl.
Took it right out of your hand. He's like eating that thing.
Well, you don't eat
Oh, she got it. Try Casey. I think they deserve treat after they're done playing. Bella! Look! Get it!
Get your phone, right?
Huh?
Get your phone.
Yeah, I got it.
Bella, don't eat dirt.
Should have made her done a trick for her. Like, I love you. Bella, Bella, look at the ball. Look at the ball. Get the ball. Go get the ball.
Bring it back, girl.
Bring it back.
Oh my god. No, you don't have any left. Go get it.
Go get it.
No, you can't have that. Bella.
Poor little fox. Whoa! Bella's like, what in the world was that? Oh, she caught it! Good, Bella.
Good one.
He's gonna eat you. Do you want attention?
Easy.
Easy. Easy. You get attention from me. What do you want? Casey! 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 Get it! She threw it up in the air.
I've never seen her do that.
Don't take it.
No,
Bella, don't take it. Here, Bella can play with that. She can play with this. Bella! Bella, look at this. Look at this. Bella! I think this might end in a dog fight. I think Casey just might want a dog's rate. I think the only way Casey will stop barking. Do you want a treat?
Oh man, I'm kidding.
Dakota. Lay. No bark. No bark. No bark. Ready? Jump. Casey. Come on. Come on. Bella. Bella.
Squeeze it too.
Huh?
Squeeze it.
Bella. Casey. Casey. Bella, come on. Come on. Okay. Here. Stay.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Stay. Stay. Come here, Bella. Come here. Whoa, not you. Not you. Not you. Yep. Yep. Look, I get her to jump. Ow! Oh, you can have that. She bit my finger.
No, she's crazy about that.
Huh?
She's bad about that.
Here's an apple. You try. You try. You can't jump that high. Oh! Oh, she's gonna get that. Oh, come on. Come on, Bella. You're so close. Come on, Bella. Oh, yay, you're getting it. Woo! You got it. That was awesome.
Yeah.